In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use waterfall chart visualization in Power BI. A waterfall chart is perfect when you want to explain how you got from a starting value to an ending value, showing the increases and decreases along the way. Think revenue moving from last month to this month, with contributions from regions, products, or cost categories. It's a clear, visual way to tell the story behind the numbers. Start by opening your Power BI desktop app on your computer. Once it loads, go to one of your existing reports where you want to add the visualization. You can work on any page within that report. Just make sure the data you want to visualize is available in your model. On the right side of the screen, look for the Visualizations pane. This is where all chart types live. Find the waterfall chart icon and click it. A blank chart will appear on the canvas ready for your data. Now map your data or categories to the chart. In the fields, add a numeric field like sales or profit to the y-axis. This is the value that will rise or fall. Next, add your category field, such as month, department, or product, to the category slot so the chart can break the value down step by step. If you want to show how subcomponents contribute within each step, use the breakdown field to split the bars by a secondary category. As you map fields, Power BI will automatically build the waterfall. Green bars for increases, red bars for decreases, and a final bar summarizing the net change. If the order matters, sort your category column in the data view so the chart reflects the timeline or logical sequence you expect. With the chart built, go to the Format Visual section on the right panel to refine its look and readability. Customize data colors to make increases and decreases stand out, adjust bar and connector styles for clarity, and turn on data labels so viewers can read exact values at a glance. You can also fine-tune the title, background, and border to match your report's theme. Use tooltips to add extra context when someone hovers over a bar, and make sure the font sizes are legible for your audience. That's it. Open your report, add a waterfall chart, map your data, then customize the formatting for impact. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your waterfall will clearly communicate how each component drives the overall change.